Yo, my husband has beans on his little plants, on his little pea plants. Really? I am surprised at this. He has beans, y'all, peas. These are peas on his side. Look at it. He did not tell me. Oh, look at him. I am surprised at Mr. Oh, now watch when I tell. I don't even think he even noticed it. I don't even know if he knows. All this grass he got around him. Oh my goodness. I don't know what type of peas these is. They didn't come up very high, very tall. They didn't. Wow. Husband, you have peas on your side. I don't have nothing yet. And all his mess and confusion that he got going on with his grass, he still got peas. And I ain't got nothing. I'm happy for him though, y'all. He's gonna be excited when I tell him.